I'm now in my second term as the town council member in Altadena, and I'm also the chair of the Traffic Safety and Mobility Committee. And this is the first ever Traffic Safety and Mobility Committee of the Altadena Town Council, which I want to say is 80 years that it's been around. Really, the focus is on community engagement, encouragement, focusing on access for all abilities. I became a council member through the advocacy, segueing from sports, recreation, teaching safety for bicycling and pedestrians, and then really seeing the conditions within my own community. We don't have really sidewalks. Sidewalks are not normal here. And yet we have a growing population. We have a lot of people wanting to enjoy the beautiful space. So really the need to look at our traffic safety and to help with LA County, since Altadena is unincorporated, helping them understand how the community feels about things, the community's needs, and maybe helping prioritize public works projects. How can they help make it safer? So our first Berkeley SafeTREC project, I didn't know anything about Berkeley SafeTREC. We applied for a community pedestrian and bicycling safety training grant. California Walks became our partner. They asked us to engage all of the different players in our community. We met at the school and we did our initial meeting, understanding education, and then we started doing assessment work. So again, it was the parents, the teachers, the school, our government entities that need to make this happen, community members, everyone gave feedback. Through all that work, we ended up getting a four-way stop sign that people had been asking for years and years and years, and it went in right away. We had a lead pedestrian phasing signal to help the students get across the busy street. A great event we had done was with the city of San Fernando, and partnerships is really what makes things move. So we designed a bike park, again in a parking lot, and in that parking lot it was dirt. So we brought in a partner, Amigos de los Rios. We put plants around this park. We created a bioswale, which was a little crossover ramp for the kids to go through. We put in the donut bar and the tacos again, engaging the restaurants to get involved. We had a little tot track where little kids could just go round in circles on their bicycles or by foot and just run around. And then in the main course, we put in a little sand pit. We had little logs they had to go over and ramps. So again, I always make these events open for all ages, but everybody came out. Kids who were walking in the streets all came and ran this sort of obstacle course. Parks, safe space for, for people to move, and especially children in different ways. Like bike parks are the greatest thing ever. The future of active transportation look like that streets are livable, that we're more mindful of each other. So when we're moving down the street, we're not separate. Streets are part of where we live, not separate. Ultimately, the whole sense of community, respecting each other, understanding each other, again, spread love, not hate, comes from building community. And so livable streets are definitely the way to do that.